What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Windsor TV2 and today I've got another unboxing for you guys. So what we're actually unboxing today is one that's been long overdue. It is for the Nike AJ1s, Air Jordan 1s, Obsidian, 2019 retro, whatever the fuck I'm going on about. We actually have two pairs of these shoes today. So I've got one from Nike Official and then I've also got another one that I won from an in-store raffle. So the ones from Nike are a size UK 8.5 I think, and the ones I picked up in store are a UK 11.5. So it'll actually be interesting to see what the comparison between the two is like. But just to provide some entertainment value, I am going to get this box unopened first. And this week, the shank that is opening it is an orange shank, which I found in the kitchen. It's your standard orange shank. And yeah, it should work absolutely fine for serving that purpose. Now, let's literally just get stuck in because this is going to be a quick video because I know I'm late doing this video. I should have done it weeks ago and there's already been a million videos of the AJ1s, but fuck it, we can't dwell on them. So let's, yeah. Not sure how to approach this. You see how apprehensive I'm being with this one because, oh, it says pull for freshness. You know what, the shank is not even needed there. That's a lot easier. Apparently I helped plant a tree. We take our commitment to the environment seriously, which is why in partnership with WeForest, we continuously plant trees to completely offset the carbon emissions we generate through product delivery. Fair enough. Nice little return thing there. And we have them here. So, I have already actually seen these in the other pair I've got here. But these are the 8.5s. See, yeah, UK 8.5s, USA 9.5, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Obsidian, and let's have a look, see what they look like. Chuck the box over there, and we have in there. So first sight of these, actually, they're a lot nicer in a smaller size than they were in the 11.5s. They obviously come with the laces there for you to be able to do yourself, and it's a nice leather material. I would say the materials, whilst they're nice and leather, the colours are okay. Nice navy blue here with the white, and then you have this sort of royal-like blue if you like. But yeah, it's not too bad. They're definitely nicer in a smaller size. I'll get the other one out there, have a look at. They're definitely nice and small size, but the resale, there was more of these pairs available than the black satin toes that I reviewed previously, which I can put a link in below in the description. But yeah, they're nice trainers. I've actually sold these for £275 sterling, so as soon as this video is done today, these are going to get shipped out to someone I've sold them to. So yeah, they're nice enough, you know. I wouldn't even pay the resale for myself. I'm not a huge fan of Jordans, but I know people in America are. But yeah, I think the smaller sizes are a lot nicer than the bigger sizes. And just to get that in comparison, I'll put that there now. Obviously they're already sold. And we'll get the 11.5s out of this size box here. So I actually won these on a raffle on Size Carnaby Street in London. And I just went and collected them. Instantly, whoa, you can just see these are big daddy shoes. USA 12.5, UK 11.5. They're not messing about with these ones. You can already see how much bigger the box is there. We'll get those AG ones out of the way. And again, we have a fucking Mahusif shoe. Yeah, these are a lot bigger. I actually think they're a lot clunkier. But you know, still not bad, and obviously the resale on these is a little bit less. I'll maybe get 160, 170 pounds, which is about 40 pounds. They were 125 in store going to collect, and these were 130 I think, getting them delivered from Nike online, which I won on the Nike Sneakers app. But yeah, I'm kind of waffling. I haven't got too much else to say about them. One final thing I'll do is literally just get one of them upside each other, and yeah, as you can see there's quite a size difference. I'll get one like that, that'll show it even better there. But yeah, so thanks again anyway guys for watching. I should actually have some more reviews on the way. I've got, chuck them in there, I have got a New Balance, pair of New Balance that delivered today. They're one of the best sneakers I've had for the year. I've also got some rap songs and other shit on the way. But in the meantime guys, thanks again for checking out the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment if you want to see more. And I'll be back again with another unboxing soon. Peace out.